with that?
Let's get to the elimination. We got 2,987 votes. The Heated Secrets are safe with 488 votes. Team Sea Light is safe with 698 votes. And the last team safe is Tiny Despacio with 752 votes. The Angry Artists are eliminated with 1,049 votes. What? You all have no artistic taste! Welcome to Victoria Falls in Zimbabwe, Africa. Whichever team has the balls to jump off this thing and land in the water first wins immunity. So who's up? Ha! Y'all are a bunch of... Does that count? Only Based hit the water, so no.
Fin, Despacito pill? Whee!
Tiny Despacio wins. Vote for a team to be eliminated. Whoever has the most votes will leave the show.